These are fire alarm pickles from Columbus, Ohio. So this is a perfect combination of hot and sweet. So in here we have kosher dills, hot sauce, sugar, vinegar, salt, garlic, and citric acid. So you can see they have a good amount of spice in there. Kind of a thick brine, maybe like a bread and butter. We'll see. Okay. Smells sweet. Pretty crunchy. It has the crunch of like a really sweet pickle. It just tastes, it has a different kind of crunch. The flavor is very nice. Good amount of heat. Very, very sweet. So it's definitely a bread and butter pickle. And you have a nice kick. Try another piece. Here's what they look like. Crinkle cut. They did nail the combination of sweet and heat. If you're a fan of like a bread and butter pickle with a nice amount of heat to it, not crazy hot, but just enough to give you a nice little sweat, let's try the juice. Brine time. Thicker juice, very sweet, nice amount of garlic in there. I'd say a good medium heat on that too. Nice. So if you like your hot bread and butters, this is definitely one you would want to try. They are available on Facebook, so you can find them, send them a message, and check them out for yourself. So as far as these, I'll give these a 9 out of 10. I'm usually not a sweet pickle person, but these actually have a really good flavor, perfect crunch, so they get a 9. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys later.